How can you safely remove this baby-proofing stuff from your kitchen cabinets without damaging the paint? Alright, take some cardboard and a screwdriver or simply something flat, and the cardboard will help you shimmy underneath so you're not going to risk damaging any of the paint. Now this process will take a little while, so we're going to speed it up for everybody because I know you want to get back to your scrolling rampage on social media. It's tough to focus these days, isn't it? So as you can see right here, this stuff works great. Just slowly peel it back and you're going to be able to remove the entire thing without damaging the paint. How nice is that? Any residue left over, simply take a magic eraser like you see right here, or maybe an adhesive cleaner like Goo Gone, and you'll be able to have this looking brand new again without any damage. And ultimately, that is what we want. Final step, simply take a microfiber cloth and buff everything out so it looks nice and clean and there's no more residue left behind of anything. Okay, so now that you know how to eliminate this without damaging the paint, let's say one of your kids gets to it first and just yanks this right off the door cabinet, and now you're left with a bunch of adhesive to clean. The secret to that is heat. Let me show you. If you end up with something like this, the first thing you want to do is go ahead and try your best to remove some of this as much as you can without damaging the paint, of course. But the more of this you get off, the less work you have to do afterwards. The trick to cleaning adhesive nice and effectively is heat. So simply take a hair dryer, take a microfiber cloth or a sponge, as long as it's not abrasive enough to scratch the finish, and scrub away. You'll be amazed at what happens when you start using heat. It makes the job a whole lot easier, and you can finish the entire cleaning process again without scratching the paint, and that is what you want. There you have it. Nice and clean.